And there you have it. 5 key areas where you can make a major impact when it comes to your core marketing strategies. I hope you learned a lot, and I understand that it can be overwhelming to try and make all of these changes on your own. I get it, it's a lot. But guess what? The team here at Indirap is here to make it happen for you and start putting content to work for your business ASAP. Because you've made it this far, I'd like to personally offer you a free 15-minute social strategy session with our team. We want to show you exactly how you can integrate these strategies into your specific marketing campaigns for more sales, more conversions, better audience engagement, and a better ROI on your marketing budget. We want to see you putting more revenue on the books. If you're serious about your business, ready to crush it and absolutely dominate your market, fill out the form below and let's make it happen. Let's fucking go.